Thank you guys for being here, and thank you to the entire LSI team for the opportunity to present here on BioTalent. My name is Jason Garrett. I'm a team manager for the BioTalent team headquartered here in San Diego, so just down the street. While I'm based here in Southern California and support our medical device partners across the West Coast, BioTalent is actually able to support all organizations that we partner with across the life science spaces, all in the EU. Recently, we've gotten compliance in Switzerland, Ireland, and so some, again, new markets in the EU that we're able to support. Something here, I guess, to note. On the NPS score of 75, as a recruitment agency, the actual industry average is unfortunately -9. So we specialize in our world-class service mostly because of the specialties and areas in which we support, and all the recruitment consultants across our spaces are very much specialized in the areas in which we recruit in. And the areas in which we recruit in include anything from concept through commercialization. I personally have seen success in recruiting in each one of these markets. Again, mostly our clients here on the West Coast are Medtech, digital health organizations, and these are the areas in which we have supported. And with BioTalent, something to note here that's important is, with other recruitment agencies, they have their internal databases and they do external outreach. But with BioTalent, we have certain specialty recruitment social groups that enable us to access candidates that are not just on LinkedIn, but are embedded in our social groups that you wouldn't be able to find elsewhere. And so, with that being said, I also kind of want to point you to these last two bubbles here. I'm hoping that you guys here fall into these two of leaving here, learning something new, and feeling inspired. Here's the methods in which we're able to support. Typically, recruitment agencies work on a contingent basis, but at BioTalent, we've seen a lot of success with our partners, more so in RPO offering, where we support just being embedded in, especially with startups, taking on the entire hiring process, HR services, onboarding, coaching through different areas of internal recruiting support that you might not get from another recruitment agency. We also offer the retained search model that typically a lot of executive search that we do is mostly on a retained basis and able to keep confidentiality between the client and the market of candidates that we're reaching out to. This agile piece down here is really just talking about our ability to support contract and temp workers for project-based assignments. Again, while we do permanent, full-time, direct hire, contract is also a very hot market, and especially for those that are looking for a short-term project or contractor to come onto the team to support a particular assignment. Here's a little bit about some of the companies that we've partnered with and the good things that they've said about us. And that is a short bit on BioTalent. And so again, thank you guys all for being here. If you have any questions and would love to talk and meet after our session, then please feel free to do so. Thank you.